Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide comments in TikTok live from phone. When you open your TikTok app, you should tap on the plus button at the main toolbar here. Next step, tap on live at the bottom right corner. Well, to disable comment on TikTok live, just tap on this gear icon settings. Scroll down and here you will find comments. Just toggle on the left this slider, and as you can see we disable comments on TikTok live, and then just go live. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.